Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the UPSC Prelims previous year questions. Okay, so it is specifically on the economic questions. Okay, so the session is purely focused on how to approach the upcoming prelims exam and also how to solve the exam in more easier way. Okay, so in this session we will provide certain input. You can use this input for every subject. Okay, so this session is actually going to give you the broader idea to how to solve the upcoming prelims exam. Okay, so let's begin the session. Okay, consider the following statement. See, this question is about the Aadhaar. Okay, so first of all you have to know about what is Aadhaar. So Aadhaar is a 12-digit unique identification number. Okay, this is issued by the Unique Identification Authority of India to every individual resident in India. Please note that it is for the resident of India. It is not for the citizens only. This is itself a most important thing. Okay, so it is not only for the citizens, it is for whoever reside in India for more than 182 days. They can get this Aadhaar. Okay, so this is for the resident of India. Okay, please note that. Okay, it is not only for the citizens. Okay, so if I am going to claim that Aadhaar as my citizenship means this is not the government won't accept it, because even the non-citizens also have the Aadhaar. Okay, so the Aadhaar won't be the proof for the identification of any citizens of India. Okay, if you are going to show me the ration card, okay, or else if you are going to show me the voter ID means that, then that is the proof of the identification of the citizen of India. Okay, but if you are going to provide the Aadhaar means that is not be the proof of identification of citizen of India. Okay, so that things you have to know. Okay, next, it serves as a proof of identity which is linked to the individual's biometric and demographic informations. Okay, so it will have the age, okay, and also biometric data. Okay, so all the things will be there. Okay, Aadhaar program was launched in 2009 by the UIDAI. The goal of providing the unique and verifiable identity for every resident in India. It is now mandatory for the number of government services and also being used by private companies for identification purpose. Okay, so with that itself you can go for an answer. Consider the following statement. Aadhaar card can be used as a proof of citizens. Okay, proof of citizenship. Okay, I already said that it is not for only the citizens. Okay, if anything is only for the citizens means then it is can be used as or claimed as a proof of identification of the citizenship. Okay, but the Aadhaar is not for the only for the citizen. It is for both the resident of India and the citizens of India. Okay, so by that the statement one is wrong. Okay, once issued, okay, Aadhaar number cannot be deactivated or omitted by the issuing authority. This is also actually wrong. Okay, consider that if any person is dead means, okay, he died means, okay, but then by the death certificate you can go for the Aadhaar authority and you can erase their data. Okay, that is the provision there is in the Aadhaar Act itself. Okay, so you can easily delete the data. Okay, that is also possible. Okay, so for this both the statements are wrong, so the answer is neither one nor two. Other than that, okay, so who are eligible for the enrollment of Aadhaar? Okay, Indian resident, okay, who is citizen and non-citizen, non-resident of India, overseas citizens of India with the minimum stay of 182 days of resident in India can apply for Aadhaar. Even minors can also apply for the Aadhaar card. The children under the age of 5 will get the blue color Aadhaar. Okay, so Aadhaar cannot be claimed as a identification for the citizenship of India. Okay, that things you have to know. Okay, and also there is a provision for the elimination of the Aadhaar data. That is also there. Okay, that thing also you have to know. Okay, thank you.